Alright everybody, lesson number 100 on the crew. I don't know what lesson we're up to, but today's important lesson. Ron orders a curry spicy level 7, you order a spicy level 0.
Stewed chicken with cheese, spicy level 7 out of 10.
Oh, have you ever tried a 10? Doing the breathe in, try and mellow it out. Just so you know, I am rocking spicy level 7.
6. I should have went 3. 1.
Accommodations on Torrey Beach today, and for the week. Getting ready for today's class.
It's gonna be awesome. Well, actually, we don't know what it's gonna be.
It's gonna be awesome.
It is gonna be awesome. It's just what grade of awesome, like how it's gonna manifest into awesomeness. Basically, we just don't really know who our students are, how many they're gonna be, and what their needs are. So I don't know if anyone's a teacher out there, but going into a classroom like that.
We don't even know if they're first graders or seniors in college.
Exactly. So we're going in prepped for everything and ready to listen to them and figure out what they want.
So this is our cabin, our accommodations. Got some bunking, some top bunk, and it's a pretty nice place actually. I'm digging it. That's all my shit there. I gotta get it resorted. I'm obviously not military. And this is the view from our cabin. Right here, looking out onto the ocean, and I believe we're going to be doing some swimming out there here pretty soon.
Constantly increasing efficiencies. How can we increase efficiencies here and here? How can I do this different? How can I push this together, smash it down? So I'm doing my objective in the least amount of time. We'll get into the actual interview setup, and we'll actually do one with you guys and stuff eventually here. But everything's gotta be on the same level, right? The cameras, and so you gotta deal with that. And then you gotta get the lighting, and then the wind is probably opposite your lighting as it always is.
So we're coming to the afternoon part of day one. We're gonna fly our drones. We've got 2 Mavic Pros, a GoPro, 3 Mavic Pros, a GoPro drone, and a Mavic Air. So hopefully this will not be drone chaos in the air. The idea is to fly the drones, iron out any kinks, because tomorrow we're gonna do a complete deconstruction of drones, which is Dabba's gonna run that.
I've got one specific.
But yeah, so far the class has been good. Everyone's receptive. Everyone's got a lot of experience. So we're definitely not talking to beginners here.
Forward and slowly go up with your left, and keep going forward and left stick up.
What shot are you going for here?
Trying to get a nice shot through this little cave.
Drone wars over here. We got, I think, 4 drones up.
I think I'm about to put mine up too.
2 flying here. So this is what happens when we teach a drone class. We got what? We're gonna make it 5 drones up when this one takes off. So I think that's an official 5 drones in the sky. Don't know if it's totally recommended, but it's one way to make sure that you learn how not to crash your drone.
Hey, 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 hey! Slip away! Slip away!
I'll end this just to be safe.
How's your drone class go there, Dever?
Yeah, going good. Looks like the drones have taken over.
Swear to God, dude, I will kill you.
Out of control.
I think we had a record 5 drones in the sky.
Did we?
Yeah.
5?
Yeah.
Man, I was waiting for one of the birds to go down, man. Is that a record? Somebody came, like, I think within a couple meters
Oh,
of us.
they were bumping edges. It was like a sumo drone wrestle over there.
Right now we're negotiating. We're looking for a goat for the Habu Hustle adventure race. May or may not be a checkpoint attached to a collar. And we
So you just want to borrow a goat?
We just want to borrow the
Actually,
goat.
goat sashimi is really popular here too.
Oh,
what he's trying to
I've been
find.
trying to find goat
Do you know where to
sashimi.
get
Oh, that's right up on my neck of the woods. That's right
Yeah?
up there. My Boone Beach, there's an actual like a goat restaurant there. This family, they own a goat farm up in Ganoza.
Wow.
Where's it? How?
Do you know Jam Steakhouse?
Yeah.
Right across the street.
Okay.
Up
You guys
just
want
a
to do
little bit north
goat
of that.
sashimi tonight for dinner?
I'm in.
I think it's on. I mean, one shouldn't expect a long wait time for uncooked food.
It definitely has that goat flavor, which I like, but it definitely has the texture of what you think goat would be like if you ate it. Really, really tough and chewy. Definitely, that's a hard-ass goat. No, you should try it.
No, it's triable. It's not bad. Yeah, it does.
Spot on. Just like Christmas dinner.
So, for those of you who tuned into China, we're now here in Japan, and we found ourselves drinking a lot of snake wine. Nice. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Alright.
Yo.
Didn't get all the way through mine.
It's pretty smooth.
It actually is smooth. I have found this about snake wines and drinks. They are smooth.